Open Facebook and go to your profile. From your profile, tap this three dot and tap on Story Archive. In here, you find all of your Facebook memories or Facebook story memories. You can easily view any memories from here. Just click the memory, and here we can see the memory successfully obtained. And now in your archive story, if you don't see any memories, it's mean your archiving stories option is turned off. To turn it on, all you have to need, just click on settings from here, or you can go to your Facebook settings and privacy. From there, you have to scroll down and open story settings, and here you'll find archiving your story. So must turn on this option. This will automatically archive photos and videos after they disappear from your story. Thanks for watching.